Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Sonic key fob. First, identify your specific key fob model to ensure you get the correct replacement battery. Gather a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. Understanding these initial steps will make the process much smoother and prevent any accidental damage to your device. This simple task can save you time and money. To begin, look for a small indentation or slot on the side of your key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool to carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid breaking any plastic tabs or damaging the internal components. This step is crucial for a successful replacement. Once the fob is open, you will see the small circular battery. Note its type, often a CR2032, and how it's oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's placed correctly with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Now carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear or feel them snap securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob, such as lock, unlock, and trunk release, to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.